Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Windows 11 themes in a very simple way. How you can do that? You can simply come over into the start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you can simply go for settings. After clicking on settings, here you're going to find out the option called personalization. If you click on that, then here you're going to get the option called themes. If you click on that, and there you will get bunch of themes that are built in with your Windows 11. If you didn't like them, you can simply scroll on a little bit, and then here you're going to find the option called Get More Themes for the Microsoft Store. If you click on the Browse Themes option, if you click on that, it will going to open Microsoft Store. And from here, you can get a lots of free themes that you can simply download and you can simply install in your PC. If I just choose this theme, you can see if you click on that, and if you click on Get, after download and install, you can see it simply changes the themes outcome in your computer. The computer is changed with these custom themes that we apply. So this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.